This is awesome footage of a pair of Ukrainian Humvees conducting hit-and-run attack on Russian positions. Drone footage of the event is included. Ukraine's Air Force says it shot down 6 of Russia's Iranian Shahed-136 kamikaze drones and 1 Su-25 in the south. But 2 Shahed-136 drones did strike a building in Odessa, destroying it and killing 1 person.
Пиздец.
Just a Russian Orthodox church blessing Russian recruits to commit war crimes in Ukraine.
Товарищи, сейчас просьба, сделаем общее фото. Все-таки ординарно это событие. Оно останется в истории. Так что просьба не расходиться, сейчас сделаем фото, а потом тогда в автобус.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.